What's good, guys? It's jacobcrypobury here. I'm your host, Jake, and today we're going to look at some massive news that's literally just caused Dogecoin to explode to the upside, and that is this particular news right here. And it's not on April Fool's, guys, it's very much real. Dogecoin up 20% in April as Elon Musk invests in Twitter, and I believe he holds about 10% of the Twitter shares, which is pretty amazing. So there we see it, 9.2%. So volatile meme token Dogecoin is already up 20% on the month already, following news on Monday, 4th of April. Elon Musk invested in Twitter stocks, and this catalyzed a bit of a price pump. We see the multi-billionaire Tesla CEO is known for supporting the meme coin, often tweeting about Doge, now owns 9.2% of shares in Twitter. So what you can really speculate here, guys, is that maybe, just maybe, Elon Musk will actually integrate Dogecoin to Twitter somehow, and maybe he's going to use this extra influence he's got to pump Dogecoin in a way like never before. So this is some good reasons to potentially get really bullish on Dogecoin, to be honest. So we can see the last sort of tweet we had about it was Tesla merch buyable with Dogecoin, and since then we've had some radio silence, but I think we're going to see some big things for Dogecoin in the upcoming future. If we look at Dogecoin, we can see we're still ranked 12. And when you think about it, for a meme coin, being ranked 12 is pretty damn crazy. $24.3 billion market cap. And when we look at the daily and we just zoom out, we came all the way up to 0.74. So we have corrected quite substantially. We're looking at an 80% correction right here. And we've put through lower highs, and also lower lows constantly over and over again. So could it be a good investment for 2022? Well, I think given that now we know Elon Musk shares Twitter, he's got 9.2% in his name, I think big things could potentially happen, and it's easy to speculate this. We're not even in an alt season yet as well, so there's also something to consider. We see on 2021, it was a very good year for Dogecoin, and so far we're pretty neutral with 2 red months and 2 green months in 2022. And as well as this, Q2 is looking green as well. So Q2, Q3, both looking potentially good, and I think we can have a great Q3 here for Dogecoin. So what's happening with Dogecoin at the moment, guys? Of course, we have so much big resistance levels. Probably one of the biggest ones to actually try and target is going to be this particular level up here over at 0.33. But what's happened is we did break this downtrend. You see this descending triangle where we have the resistance on the 9th of November, we have the resistance on the 13th of January. We broke it. We finally put through a higher high. This price level is actually higher than this. So it is interesting. We can actually move this across now, change that to yellow, and that's the trajectory that we're now trading in. Maybe we're going to be in this particular channel that we can see right here. And I think it's easy to speculate that this is now a large amount of resistance again over at 0.174, but hopefully we can hold the support level over here at 0.139. Daily time frame, we're looking a little bit overbought. We were at 74 in the RSI, and the MACD is not really showing nothing too bullish. We just come up to that 200-day moving average here, the white line, and yeah, hopefully we can see another continuation to the upside. What's happened here is we've basically just got rejected at the 0.178 resistance level here, and yeah, we put through another low, retesting the 20-day moving average on the 4-hour time frame, which could potentially be a good buying opportunity right here to go long and even spot trade some Dogecoin. And again, you're just seeing that rollover of the highs and the lows just coming down together. A bit of a falling wedge here, actually, in my opinion. If we just connect all the dots like so, we can see we've got a bit of a descending channel, a bit of a wedge on the go. So maybe we can speculate, we're going to get a nice pump to the upside from this particular level before retesting that $0.18 level. I think that's the most likely scenario here, because we've put through some really critical support just like that, and if we can break to the upside, it's going to look really good for Dogecoin. So very bullish on Dogecoin, guy. If you want to grab some Dogecoin today, you can do that down in the link below. Also want to say, guys, jump into the Discord channel. We're 200 people strong. You can meet some great people in this Discord. You can find that down in the description below as well. So Dogecoin, are you bullish on Dogecoin? Do you think this is a key undervaluation zone? I want to hear your thoughts. Why I think it is because if we look at the grander scheme of things, if we go to the weekly time frame and we have a look at some of these particular ranges and take that fib retracement, Well, yeah, you can say, we've come a bit low. We've come below the 0.786 right there. It does look typically bearish. The correction has probably been around 80% from the market cycle bottom, 85%. So that's very, very big. But what it does mean is we've got some big targets, and you're looking at 0.25, we're looking at 0.34, 0.42, and this is for the future. So this, in my opinion, is a good sort of area to reaccumulate Dogecoin, because if Elon Musk is the one behind the influence and the marketing, and he integrates something on Twitter, and that's a big speculation, by the way, it's just going to mean that this coin will explode. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and very much appreciate the support. See you soon, guys. Take care.